This video tutorial I will cover atOffset and atZone methods of instant class. Here I have defined the class instant demo 1. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created instant object. Then I am calling atOffset method of instant object and passing offset. This method combines instant with offset and creates offset date time. Here I have defined the class instant demo 2. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created instant object. Then I am calling atZone method of instant object and passing the time zone. This method combines instant with time zone and creates zone date time object.